In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the intake manifold runner control valve on this BMW X5. This is going to be attached to the intake manifold. Let's get into it. There's a connector right here. On the back side, there's a little spring clip. You want to just push on that. You can slide that up. That's what you're pushing on. And we're going to take these two bolts out. We're going to use a T40 socket. And the bolt under here, same T40 socket. Okay, pull that bolt out and grab the valve. Just rock it back and forth a little bit and it slides right out. Just take a rag, just clean up the area. A little bit of dirt and debris in there. That's good. Take the new valve, get this lined up, and push that all the way down. You want to take the bolts, get them started. And you want to tighten these down. Just go back and forth a little bit just in case it's not all the way seated. It's all the way down. And that one's all the way down. Now I'm going to torque these bolts to 79 inch-pounds. Take the connector, line it up, and push it down, lock it in place.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.